Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Margaritaville Resort. It is a fantastic resort. We're gonna go take a walk through, take a look at it, through the lobby, back to the pool area. It is a great sight to be seen. But on top of all that, you are, as a crow flies, 1 mile away from Animal Kingdom Lodge and Animal Kingdom Park. So you can be close to all the magic without paying the magic prices, but have a lot to do here as well, and really have a resort you can enjoy yourself at between your trips to Disney. So that being said, let's go take a look. All right, so guys, listen, we're here up back to Valet. So this is kind of walking in the front area. Now, what's crazy is in Florida, which is all flat, they create a hill. So you drive up this hill to Valet and you come into the front entrance. Front entrance is great. Always got good crib music playing when you come in, and you'll see it when you see it. So when we come around here, the door says, welcome to paradise. So this is awesome. For those who don't know, Margaritaville as a whole is a chain of resorts that are worldwide. But let's pause for a second. This is the vibe. So with this being said, this is what it feels like. They have the palm trees here. Above there, if you've noticed, the lights above are actually Margaritaville glasses. Margarita glasses turned upside down with lights in them. They have a beautiful little swing there. They got little nooches to go sit. It's got a great energy in here when you walk in. And what you'll see at the end of this walkway, a gigantic flip-flop. Now that is in every Margaritaville resort in the world. It is kind of their iconic thing. We'll go over and take a look at that in a second. But back to what I was saying. So Margaritaville is a worldwide resort chain founded by Jimmy Buffett, who sadly has passed many years back. But it is just, it's got a very laid-back energy. You can tell the lobby's full of couches and places just to sit. It's a very nautical vibe, a very nautical theme. And then we'll come this way. Now here's the main check-in. I love the fact that the main check-in, they have a back wall. There's a gigantic TV that just has tropical scenes that just scroll all day long. It's just awesome. And then in here they also have their Margaritaville store, which we'll take a look at in 1 second as well. And we'll come around and now back to that iconic flip-flop. So what they do is there's very subtle teases of all the Jimmy Buffett songs out there. And this is it. And if you look down here on the bottom, they have a pop top. Now, many of you who are way too young to understand what that is, that used to be what's on top of cans of soda. You have to peel that back to get through the soda. And they have an entire song about pop tops and how it impacts your flip-flop. Here's the back of flip-flop. I love the fact that they even have this, the souls of the tropics on the back of the flip. So that's where we came from, is down that way. This is also, by the way, if you haven't noticed, that puppy running down, it's a dog-friendly resort, which is fantastic. So let's go this way. Now, we're gonna kind of come tearing around to our left. The rooms actually are either side of the lobby, left or right. And in the middle is this place, Euphoria. Now, Euphoria is kind of their bar, restaurant. They just redid it. It had a really, really neat nautical theme. All the blues and tans and whites. Great energy in the space. And what they do have here, live music every single night. So it's just this great spot. It's a great spot also to sit back and catch any TV and grab a drink, grab a bite to eat. The menu has just been updated. So they've just changed out the menu. Right now that is all more of a breakfast. Now we'll go back in. Now we're gonna go check out the lifestyle store, which is actually the merchandise store, the Margaritaville store. We'll take a peek in there and show you guys what they have in there as well. And trust me, it's a great spot. So let's go take that look at that right now. So we're gonna go in, but you'll say from the outside, you got your hats. So you got your beach hats, very cool. This is very Jimmy Buffett-esque cowboy hat, big hats. They have all the branded sweatshirts and spirit jerseys here. The bucket hats, which are just awesome. They're running $39.99. And no guys, none of this is super cheap. We get that. And over here on the women's section, they have these great little hats. Now, we'll go into a great baseball jersey, by the way. Now, those who don't know, parrots are a big thing. Parrot heads are people who are very Jimmy Buffett fans. And so they're gonna see a lot of parrots here. That's nature of the beast. You come into the left, you'll see they have the 5 o'clock somewhere clock, which again, is a tribute to one of the Jimmy Buffett songs. Land Shark, which is Jimmy Buffett beer. You get what I'm saying. And then here's all their drinks, the shot glasses, the Margaritaville glasses, the They have it all there. So they really just have a lot of branded merchandise here. And then that's just an attitude pillow. And then we cut through. Then you have all your stuff. So if we were straight across and came to our right, they have these little guys, which are really kind of bobbleheads. And this is the men's side. So what you have is you have all your men's graphic tees, which is great. Now I'm going to pivot here. That, my friends, is Jimmy Buffett himself. Jimmy Buffett actually owned many houses. One was in West Palm. He started this whole resort vibe. Again, it's a worldwide phenomena, and sadly he has passed. But these are all the graphic tees that we have here, and then they do end up having your golf shirts, your Tiger Shark shirts. It's great. And then you come through and you have your sweatshirts and all that as well. Now, you keep coming around, you have your drink cozies with all the names on it. So they have a lot of the tourist branded stuff. It's kind of cool. They have the bottle openers that have names on it, and shot glasses that have names on it. But now as we come across, we're kind of into the women's section. So still, you got women's graphic tees, which is great. Just a lot of different kinds. Nothing really too over the top. Bathing suits, just in case you forgot yours. And we're gonna peel all the way around because we don't get anybody's way. In the middle there, they have bathing suits and then magnets and pins. In the back of the store, this is where the little guy stuff is. So back here they have the little guy shirt, which is the jellyfishes and all that. And then they have their stuffies and all the toys and things that you would want to get for your little guy. And then the bathing suits in case you forgot. But what they do have back here as well is the clearance section. And that's the clearance stuff. So, coming back through, this is really basically what the store has to offer. Really wanted to show you that to you. So guys, that being said, this is George from Florida Parks After Dark. We're here at the Margaritaville store at the Margaritaville Resort, right here on 192 in Orlando. Alright guys, so that was a store. Fantastic spot, a lot of good merchandise. Now we're back out in the lobby, we're passing by the flip-flop. And we go in. Now, they do have a Provisions, which is kind of their sundry shop, their kind of little cafe. So we'll take a look at that. And they do have this. Now we have a video on this because we actually did this once. It's a cotton candy machine that makes cotton candy while you watch. Now, I will give you a fair warning. The cotton candy itself is okay. The experience is really cool. So back into Provisions. So Provisions is kind of their little market. So we come in and what they have here, which is great, is they have a hot grill. Now they do all day breakfast, which is fantastic. They have smoothies, which is great, as well as burgers. Cheeseburger Paradise is also another nod to the Jimmy Buffett song. They have that. They do have the bacon tomato grilled cheeses and the jerk chicken sandwiches. They have a lot of really solid food. The pizzas are great. So that's the hot food item. Behind it is where you have all your drinks. You have the ice cream, and they have all the sodas. And they do, of course, have the beers. And then, of course, I have to have Land Shark, which is a Jimmy Buffett beer. But then we come back here. They also have their hard alcohols as well as their wines. Now, what's really neat about this is in the back Provisions is this space. You kind of come through and all of a sudden it opens up. Great spot to come grab it. Sit down, grab lunch, you want to sit down, stay out of the heat. It is Florida, it's hot. So you can sit in here, stay cool, with a great view of everything around you. We're going to take a shot out back. You sit out back as well. And listen, this is going to give you a preview of what we're going to see in a second. Because this is the back. We came straight through the lobby, basically. And in back of this area, that's the back of the property. So we can go here. So right there, that's one of the entrances to the pool area. That's the pool area. Now their pool area is divided into two separate pools. And behind that palm tree is a tiki bar that separates the two pools. And that's the second pool. It goes all the way back there. We'll take a look at that in a second. Now, those of you who are have really good eyes. Let's see, this house is back behind this water area. Behind the hotel itself are about 1,100 houses. They have 10-bedroom monster mansions. They have 1-bedroom little bungalows. They have townhouses. It's awesome. And you can rent these. So instead of necessarily staying here at the hotel, you get one of those through Vrbo, Airbnb, some private vendors, even some things through here through the hotel. And you can have your kitchen, your dining room, multiple levels to kind of be able to separate for not in a hotel room with 2 beds and a bathroom. And really be able to access all the resort area and still be that close to Animal Kingdom, but then being in a house. If you look at the number of people you can put in that house, it gives you a much better price point because you can put 10 people into a house as opposed to 4 people in a hotel room. And then down in this area, which is really kind of neat as well, that those blue couches are where they have actually a fire pit and where you can kind of sit at night and relax. And then they have a lot of the grounds here are very lush and they do just a great job of it. So let's go back into provisions right now. Take a glance through. We still got more to see. So let's cut through. So like we talked about, we're kind of going in. And in a second, we'll go down the stairs and go out the back, and I'll show you that whole pool area in a much more detailed way. But right now, we're going back into the lobby section, so we're out of provisions. Now, I mentioned earlier, the rooms flank either side of the lobby. So rooms go down that way, and rooms go down the other way. And it's about a 4-story building, so it's really kind of a nice spot. But with that being said, guys, let's head out back and see what we shall see. Okay, so we came down the stairs from the lobby, and we're going to be heading straight outside. I want to show you what we saw from up there provisions. So now we're down a level. Straight over here. That's where the fire pit is. We saw from up there. They have a bar, a grill bar that'll open at times when it's busy. Straight ahead as we come straight out, they have an anchor. They have the ropes, so they kind of still, this is almost like a boardwalk, got a whole boardwalk feel here. And then right up there, that's where we were. Now that's a Falcon Provisions. So we're just down below where we just were. I'm kind of walking out this way. They do have seating. Now I'll tell you honestly, been here enough. This field you're about to see is a very popular spot for weddings. And you would say, really, George, weddings, Margaritaville? And I'd say, you would be surprised. This is the spot. You have weddings in this grassy area, and they have bands and dancing over there, more times than I can tell you. But this also gives you a great view of where the rooms are. So the rooms basically, we're in the center where provisions was the lobby, and this is where the rooms all pan out, and they kind of come in and out in a kind of a nice irregular way. So you get views of back, basically every view is of the pool area. There's nothing out there at the front. The doors of the rooms are out front, everything's out back. So there's really just one row of rooms, which I think is kind of cool. Down here, now this is the pool area. Now they have cabanas that you pay for. And then you have all your pool area in here. I mentioned that tiki bar, well, there it is. So that's a tiki bar. So right where that tiki bar is, get a better view on it, splits this thing. So there's your tiki bar. So there's a pool immediately to your right, pool immediately to your left of that tiki bar. I will tell you, if you come here, the pool to your left, this one is a more popular pool. Why? Because the main entrance is on that side and everybody stops right here. And they don't go much farther. So you want quiet, keep walking back. Now, this is the area. Now what's great about this, I want to show you this, is that where people are sitting in these chase lounges, that's sand, real sand. So they brought in all this sand. So down this section, you put your toes in the sand, another Jimmy Buffett song, and you're right at the water, which has 0 entry here for the kids at either end. And then the back there is a Salty Rim Bar and Grill. It's a great spot to grab a bite, you can grab a drink, and you're right there. There are, again, these cabanas that up above, a little higher up. They have the fridges and the fans, and they have all those extras. There is a cost attached to it. And then we'll come back around here. This is a great view of that tiki bar I keep mentioning over and over and over and over and over again. And there it is. So that's where you can get a drink as well. And then there's the other pool. So that's the pool area. Now, what they also have here is a spa. And they have a really nice gym as well as a kids playground. If you keep going back past the Salted Rim Grill, now that main area, that's where all that is. It's also where you would access those houses we talked about. So if you are one of those houses, most have access to the pool. So you would rent one of those houses and you could have they have their own pools at the houses typically. But if you wanted to, you can come up here, grab a margarita, sit in a chair, put your toes in the sand, and get to this pool. Now I'm kind of just walking around because I want to just point out two things for you. There's two entrances to the pool, and no one is going to tell you about the second one because it's the quiet entrance. You come out of the hotel and go to your right. Everybody goes that main entrance on the other side, so that side of the pool is so crazy. If you go this way, that entrance is rarely used. Now, you have to stay here. You have to have a card to get in here, a room key, and you get a wristband to get in. So you can't just come crash here. So don't plan on just zipping in here and popping into the water. This across the way, the Mango Moon, is actually a pool area for a different timeshare across the way. But there is, from what I understand, an agreement between the two that you can attend both, provided you have your room key. And the reason I walk this far is right back there is the quote-unquote quiet pool, the adult pool, the non-kid pool. It's right there. So that is where you kind of come if you just want to get away from all the people, all the balls getting thrown around, people drinking, being a little loud. You go there, piece of pie. So now, I'm coming back in. That's the rest of the rooms also that go down the other side. Now, we're here under Euphoria, which was, again, was that nautical themed restaurant. It's right above us. This is a timeshare, so they do sell timeshares. But also what we do have here is there's a conference room. And if you can imagine, people do conferences here a lot. And why wouldn't you? So we're going by the fire pit, which is right to our right. Coming back into the door we came out of. Just want to show you this outside area, and it is getting toasty. It is March in Florida, which means here comes the heat. So let's go back in real quick and show you. Whoop. So that's what we're going up right now, and that's where the flip-flop is. We're coming straight at that right now. And another one Jimmy Buffett sang, and part of his song, and we'll come up. Now when we come up at the top of the stairs here, we're at Euphoria, and then right to our right is gonna be the store. Elevators to go up to the other rooms. And there's a store, see? I don't lie. And that's it. So, what we say about Florida parks, we think, how do we maximize your Disney dollar? This is the way to be close to everything, great and all-inclusive resort, and you're not paying the Disney premium. So, does this make sense? Yes. Can you get a house here and 10 of your friends? Yes. Will it cost your arm and leg? No. Is it going to be fun? Yes. And do they have a shuttle to the Disney? Yes. So with that being said, guys, this is a great, super thumbs up option for you to come here. So do me a favor, go ahead and like this video. More importantly, subscribe to our channel. We're about at 10,000, and every subscriber helps us get to that milestone we work for 2 years. That being said, guys, have a fantastic day. Do me a favor, check out the rest of the channel. We have a lot of different videos about Margaritaville and other places to stay near Disney and on Disney. And guys, that being said, you guys take care of a fantastic day.